Yeah, some boy a China made, them need a hand grenade. If you a pussy, me I tell you pussy me no afraid. Family kill me brave.
Yes, my viewers, subscribers, your boy Stola. We say welcome to Real Talk. As you hear Popcaan say, yo, from him a liquor boy in brave. Say if you a pussy, we not afraid. Viewer, subscriber, like the title say, is Popcaan the best of the best? And we are talking about man like Movada. We are talking about Beanie Man. We are talking about Bounty Killer. We are talking about the great them. And them kind of man that we are talking about. Is Popcaan up there with them and the meds?
One month of respect we are, yeah. Number don't lie.
Viewer, subscriber, we don't know say Popcaan is a man we no make nothing miss him, dog. So when this come out in the media, we say them three man ya, Cartel, Popcaan and Egyptian make the best of the decade music list. Popcaan highlighted on him Instagram, and not even that doggy man said trouble. Viewer, subscriber, when we see Popcaan run out and follow up that they post there with this a post here and say me don't tell them already, you know. Numbers don't lie. Viewer, subscriber, we know say Popcaan a fire shot. We know say Popcaan loyal. We know say Popcaan a stand up 100 beside the Gaza. We know say Popcaan a stand up 100 beside them daddy. We know say Popcaan a stand up 100 beside Cartel. You see me? Because not even that, Popcaan go back and even throw up some photo from him a boy with him and Cartel. I saw them the kind of loyalty there. Popcaan a make you know, dog. You see me?
If you a pussy, me I tell you pussy me no afraid. Family kill me brave, man me no say grenade. Them fi know me grow rough like a fucking slave. Jah is for me. Tell me who can be against us.
You are subscriber. When you see Popcaan show up, them the kind of photo there, you can see say Popcaan under Cartel wings from him a boy. So when Popcaan a tell you say, yo, pussy, me no afraid from me liquor me brave, a man a make you know say, yo, him have a gorilla behind him, dog. So him run out when him want run out, him say what him want say, and him don't care about nothing fam. But also the man go back and say, if Jah is with him, so who shall him be afraid of? So you see me? So at them kind of way, the viewer, subscriber, uno think say at the back it if a Cartel make Popcaan go on so brave, or him just brave. Meds.
Me used to ugly, me life did rough like rugby. Ask tuggy, the whole tree west no tug me. Yeah, me used to walk some road, them never lovely. Me used to wonder if nobody really love me.
Viewer, subscriber, when we see Popcaan make them the kind of post there and send out them the kind of thing there, them the way there, we know say Popcaan does add fuel to the fire. Or maybe Popcaan does try send some shot like, oh, you know Popcaan send certain shot. See, because we don't see other day Vibes Cartel run out with that post. And him did them in Amsterdam, I think he did there. And him say, yo, big up all selector, big up all DJ, big up the fans them, but forget them three priests there. And we don't assume in a certain way say at the MVP him attack. You see me? But Jamila Movada respond to that. But we look on it now and think say, yo, Popcaan does a show fit him shot, or him does a put fuel upon the fire. And that we are talk about. Meds.
Them nah see Popcaan in no back and no jeep. Them fi know say your father got the lead, father got the lead. Lead me out, lead me out.
Viewer, subscriber, when Popcaan put up a post like this, you see me, Anna say numbers don't lie. You get me? It coming like say a shot Popcaan a send. You see me? So the whole MVP fans them after him and me a talk about the gully, the vendetta, the patriot them after him for that. You see me? But we don't know how Popcaan's there. Popcaan put up something or Popcaan say something and then that does fizzle out. You see me? I saw it go. But right now, viewer, subscribe. Where you no think about this? You no think Popcaan does a show loyalty? or him just a try for running a hit. Because we don't know how Papi's there. Real talk we talk round as a dog. Let me know what you thinking in the comment section. But right now, viewer, subscriber, me say it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. And your boy Stola. One, we out.